TikTok has a lot of interesting solutions, and I think the one solution that they are a pioneer at, and I would say is a key differentiator with them is their content creator solutions. As we all know, with TikTok, UGC or content creator videos tend to perform really well, and I think right now TikTok has created lots of solutions to allow clients to gain access to them. All solutions are encompassed under the TikTok One umbrella, and there are solutions such as content creator at scale, which allows you to recruit a large amount of creators to produce assets for you. There is TikTok Content Suite, which scans for existing content that's already been done for brands organically by creators and allows you to just run them as ads. And they also have other solutions around partnering up with creator agencies to help produce content for that. So I think those are really powerful solutions from TikTok. I think the bonus is that with a lot of these solutions, there is no additional spend as long as you meet a minimum media spend. These creator solutions are there for you without any additional charge. So it is very beneficial to clients to leverage some of these programs. And the other solution that I would like to add on is TikTok Symphony, which is their generative AI solution. Again, it's a free platform, free tool that clients can use to put together creatives based on the current assets that they have and to produce assets that would work well for TikTok.